How to use Instagram Reels. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to create an Instagram Reel, so keep on watching. Before I start, I do want to mention that Instagram Reels or certain features of Reels is not available to everybody just yet, but do hang on tight because Instagram should be rolling these out soon, hopefully. To make an Instagram Reel, on your home page you can click on the camera icon in the top left corner and then swipe left to Reels. Or on your profile page you can click on the plus sign in the top left corner and select Reels. Press record for no effects or click on the smiley face to add a screen effect. Swipe through the effects to see what they look like and then just tap the one you want to use. You can make a 15-second reel using one screen effect, or you can make a 15-second reel using multiple screen effects, each being a few seconds long, and just pressing stop and then choosing your next effect and pressing record. You can also add a video from your camera roll, but you will not be able to add any screen effects to it. Once you've uploaded your video, click on the check mark, tap on audio, search for your audio file. You can listen to it first by clicking on the play button on the right side and then tap on the file name to add it. Move the slider left or right to choose which part of the audio you want to add. Click on done. Click on the forward arrow and here you can add your text by clicking the double A's. Type in your text and then swipe through the fonts to see which one you want to use. Give your text some effects by clicking on the little A icon here and also choose a color from the color wheel. Tap and hold on it to move it around the screen. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now to choose when you want it to appear and disappear, you need to make sure that it's highlighted at the bottom here. So make sure to tap on the text box and make sure that it's white. Move the slider over for when you want it to appear. So let's add another text box and then you can see the time frame for each text box. You just need to tap on the text box at the bottom here, make sure that it's white to select the time frame for when you want that text to appear and disappear. You can also add a sticker. Click in the search box to search for a particular one. I'm just going to select this. Pinch and hold it to make it big, small, or move it around. Once you're happy, click on the forward arrow. Click the cover picture to select an image from the clip, or you can pick a cover that you've already created from your camera roll. You should pick an image that would make people want to click on it. Type in your captions and your hashtags and then click on share or save it to your draft. And you'll find all your drafts on your profile page in the center here. Swipe left to Reels. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also drop me a comment below if you managed to get everything to work. Thanks for watching.